can put on YouTube.
Facebook or something. We're off to Vermont, but we can't really see the interstate that well. It feels like all of a sudden it's just gonna be like boom, you know, boom in America. Shit. Jesus Christ. Seriously.
I'm like, let's go on the side.
I'm glad I got my new tires, that's for sure.
Oh my god.
I need to charge this other phone. Oh my god, okay, now. Like, at least my tires are really holding the road. I mean, the snow's not even sticking. The snow is like so dry, it's just blowing across.
You can't even see on the sides. We're like isolated of white.
I can't even see the front of the car. I could have had a feeling someone's gonna come right up behind us and just.
I know.
There we go. Driving in a blizzard.
Yeah, nice. Going breakfast in Vermont. You're funny. Who goes for breakfast in Vermont?
You and me. Not Bianca because she didn't wake up.
Well, she shut off her phone.
True.
So she did it on purpose.
Yeah, Bianca. Oh my god. Wow.
She did it on purpose.
She did it on purpose, yeah. We're on to you, Bianca.
She just didn't want to come and she's not going to, didn't want to tell us.
Yeah, she's just like, yeah, I'm coming.
I'm tired, I have a feeling. That's why I should shut off my phone.
What's that? Is that a truck?
There's a truck over there. Can you see it?
And an SUV behind it.
So you want me to like film it?
No, you can stop now.